Number J, 3a minus 10 into 3a minus 5. 3a minus 10 modify as plus into minus 10 into 3a minus 5 modify as plus into minus 5. Here we will be apply the formula of x plus a into x plus b, that means x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here 3a consider as x, minus 10 consider as a, 3a consider as x, minus 5 consider as b. So we can write x square means 3a whole square plus a means minus 10 plus b means minus 5 into x means 3a plus ab, that means a into b. A means minus 10 into b means minus 5. Square value of 3 is 9, a square plus minus 10 plus minus multiply minus 5 into 3a plus minus multiply minus equal plus 10 5 the 50 9a square plus added value of minus 10 and minus 5 equal minus 15 into 3a plus 50 equal 9a square plus minus multiply minus 3 15 the 45a plus 50. Number K, 5a plus 2b minus 3c into 5a plus 2b plus 3c. At first 3 term convert as 2 term. 5a plus 2b minus 3c into 5a plus 2b plus 3c. Here 5a plus 2b consider as a, 3c consider as b, that means a minus b into a plus b. This is the formula of a square minus b square, that means a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. So we can write a square means 5a plus 2b whole square minus b square means 3c whole square. Here we will be apply the formula of a plus b whole square. Here a square means 5a whole square plus 2 into a means 5a into b means 2b plus b square means 2b whole square minus square value of 3 is 9c square. 5a whole square equal 25a square plus 2 5 the 10, 10 to the 20 ab plus 2b whole square equal 4b square minus 9c square. Number L, ax plus by plus 5 into ax plus by plus 3. At first 3 term convert as 2 term. Ax plus by plus 5 into ax plus by plus 3. Here ax plus by consider as x, 5 consider as a, that means x plus a, ax plus by consider as x, 3 consider as b, that means x plus b. So here we will be apply the formula of x plus a into x plus b equal x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here x square means ax plus by whole square plus a plus b. A means 5 plus b means 3 into x means ax plus by plus ab. A means 5 into b means 3. Here we will be apply the formula of a plus b whole square. A square means ax whole square plus 2 into a means ax into b means by plus b square means by whole square plus added value of 5 and 3 equal into ax plus by plus 5 3 is 15. Square value of ax whole square equal a square x square plus 2abxy plus by whole square equal b square y square plus 15.